This is Pioneer's MVH-1400NEX. This is an in-dash AM/FM Apple CarPlay compatible multimedia receiver with a 6.2-inch capacitive glass touchscreen. The MVH-1400NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is Sirius XM ready. The system has a full on-screen interface for both Spotify and Pandora, operating from your Android phone or from your iPhone. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. There we go. All right, the first thing we see here is the wire harness. We'll use the wire harness here to connect power, ground, speakers, and so forth to the vehicle and plug this into the back of the in-dash receiver. Next up is the Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth microphone here is used for hands-free phone calls. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up, we have some install screws. There we have a handful of install screws. Then we have the USB extension. Now, the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, and so we'll use the USB extension to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment. Here is the warranty card. And then we have the quick start guide. Please remember that you can download a full copy of the owner's manual from Pioneer Electronics right to your phone. Let's pull the head unit up out of here. Okay. The front panel of the MVH-1400NEX is a 6.2-inch capacitive glass touchscreen panel. You'll see that all of the system control buttons here are inside the screen glass. The volume control is here, and the home key and display keys are here. The voice activation key is here. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch capacitive glass touchscreen. Please note, the MVH-1400NEX does not play CDs or DVDs. The back panel of the MVH-1400NEX has 2 black jacks at the top here. The one on the left is for the Bluetooth microphone included with the product, and the one on the right is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. Here is where you'll plug in the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And this is the dedicated port for the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB port that can be used for Apple CarPlay from your iPhone. And please remember that we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. This is the audio and video auxiliary input, and the wire harness from the vehicle will plug in right here. On the other side, we have 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and sub output, or for better sound quality and system control, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port up here is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here we have audio and video RCA input and video output. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's MVH-1400NEX and what's in the box.